Hello family, I hope everybody's doing okay. This is gonna be my first paint after vacations. I've been working on the huge 42 by 96, which the customer already decided that it's going to be resin, so I'm just waiting for the money to buy the resin with the countertops stone coat. So I'm here today with my grandson Gabriel. Familia, saludos, ¿cómo estamos? Todo en orden, gracias a Dios. Aquí en el primer cuadrito que vamos a pintar después de las vacaciones. He estado trabajando en el cuadro 42 por 96 bien grande, que finalmente el cliente decidió va a ser en resina. So, estoy trabajando en esos videos. Próximamente pues les dejaré saber. Ya el próximo video va a ser completo cuando esté instalado. So, I'm joined here by my grandson Gabriel. Mi nieto Gabriel está con nosotros esta semana antes de que empiecen las clases. So he's gonna be around showing his creativity. Yes, sir.
Have you seen my uniform?
Your what?
My uniform.
What uniform? You're just gonna be watching today. You're gonna be just
Oh, there it is.
watching.
Uniform.
Ah, you found your shirt. All right.
This is my uniform.
So we're gonna be doing something similar to what we did a few weeks ago. This is already finished. I'm gonna be just posting it very soon. It's gonna be available for sale, so it's already varnished. Quite a nice piece. So we're gonna be doing something similar today. Don't do that. Sorry. So I'm not gonna be using gloves today because you know that if I'm gonna be using my fingers, you know, I wanna be having the feeling. Yo quiero saber cuando esté haciendo el cuadro. No voy a estar usando guantes hoy, porque voy a usar la mano y los dedos y quiero estar seguro, ¿verdad?, de que lo hago correctamente. So, vamos a empezar. Vamos a necesitar la copita que yo uso. This is a cup that I normally use for the 3 cup in 1 cup. This is the outer one. Okay, so we're just gonna begin pouring some black in the middle, covering up, and then we're gonna be doing the pour. But first, let's do the mix first. So I'm gonna be using the FolkArt milk paint. I'm gonna be adding a little in the base.
Oh wait, what are we exactly doing again?
The same one that I showed right now. Then we're gonna be using the tallow blue. This is from a mix that I do
But you're gonna do it with different colors.
with black. I mix tallow blue and black because I create that, you know, dark blue color that I like so much. And as I'm always explain you, I, you know, lay the paint on top. So estoy usando el tallow blue mezclado con negro, y como siempre hago yo en este tipo de pours, pongo la pintura por encima, no la pongo a los lados, buscando un terminado que no sean ring pours. So I'm just layering the colors on top very smoothly. I don't want it to mix with the white yet. That was Soho Violet. Now I'm gonna be using the Artist Love Metallic Cobalt Blue. Again, barely pushing it there, you know, not pushing, I mean just layering it up there. So we had a great time on a cruise. We went to the Mexico, Costa Maya, went to Guatemala.
Are you gonna show them pictures?
We have a few pictures there, but
What we showed?
nah.
I don't know. At some part.
Easy going. Okay, this is the end of it, so that's what I was expecting to finish that one. Okay, then we're gonna be adding some copper. This is also from FolkArt. This copper tends to sink, so that's why I put it in the middle, you know, hoping maybe I can throw some lines after, just to make sure that we see something. Last time we didn't saw much of the copper, so as you see, I'm also using more paint this time. Tallow blue, the Master Touch Tallow blue. This is not mixed with anything, this is just the original one. So you see, I have a setup with the spin table. This is the one that doesn't spin too fast. Then I'm gonna be using the FolkArt Aquamarine Metallic. Bunch of colors here. You see, I only put the milk paint in the bottom because I will be adding more out later on. So I always put a little more on top.
Did you already put
This is
one?
almost finished, so I'm gonna be using another butter. Yeah, here we go. So that's the pour media. Ese es el vaso que vamos a usar para el pour. Ahora vamos a buscar el centro más o menos y vamos a hacer un puddle here. Vamos a echar pintura más o menos de la cantidad que cubra el diámetro del cup y lo vamos a tapar. Just gonna put it there. Hopefully it will stay there. Okay. Okay, now so this time what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be just pouring, but I'm gonna be just rotating the table also. So here we go. I'm gonna do a little torch just to get rid of bubbles. Very tiny one. Now, I'm gonna be just doing what I normally do, which is, let me center this a little for a moment here, because I want the same amounts of, maybe the table is not quite level. So this is what I normally do. But I'm gonna be doing something different this time. You know me, ustedes me conocen. So here we go. We're gonna inject some paint in a spiral way. Not much.
Wait.
Right, for now, let me leave it there. This is gonna be fun, and this is the new stuff. This is something I'm gonna be just doing. I'm gonna be using another color. This is no milk paint, no nothing. This is just a base paint, house paint, with a
I'm gonna chop you. Chop.
I had a jam there, so let's go back. As I was explaining, this is just, fluoro and water, very liquid. I'm looking to see, you know, what happens. I'm just curious about what's gonna happen here. So let me just finalize doing this. Then I'm gonna spread a little with my spatula that Gabriel is playing with.
I just sometimes play with random stuff that I see.
You see? He's a great guy. Gabriel is so cool, you know. Every time he wants to come here, I'm happy for that. You need to enjoy these moments, you know.
What are these?
Those are some spacers. So when you're doing your stuff, you can put your paintings on top of that.
Oh.
I normally use those when I'm resting.
You don't know what they
So I'm gonna spin it a little just to see, you know,
That's so cool.
how it
That's
goes.
so cool, actually. The moment you spun it, like,
It's a lot of pain, a mess, but that's what I wanted.
literally, the moment
So
you
I'm gonna
spun
just
it,
leave it there.
everything went to the sides.
Yep,
And so, you know,
That
guys,
was the idea.
I've never seen this before, so yeah.
that's new for you, yeah. Normally I put a barrier, but I was not spinning that hard. And I have plenty of coverage. I will
Wait.
clean that later on.
What kind
So
of
now, let me just take that cup out and
Oh, and then you're gonna spin it again, aren't you?
no, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
The next step is different because it involves my hands. That's what I did last time and it worked very nice. So, all right. I'm gonna add a little more black so that when I put my fingers in, that begins to. So I'm gonna follow that, you know, spiral thing. I kind of like that. So let me see how I do this. Okay. So if I put my finger here and I begin, let me get a wet cloth. Again, we'll do the same. Again, we do the same. Nice. As I always tell you, people, don't be afraid to do different things, you know. That's part of
Don't forget to do
getting different results. So,
That one, I know what we should call. But I'm not gonna say it right now. Or should I?
let me put a little more black paint here.
Should I say it right now? And what I know I think this is gonna be called?
Say that again. I didn't hear you.
That I know what this should be called.
Ah, you have a name already?
Yes.
Okay.
You want me
That's
to
cool.
say it? Should I say it?
You can say it if it's okay to say it in camera. Remember.
Well, it's
Do you think it's okay, or you think we need more?
No, it's actually okay to me. It needs just a teeny bit more bubbles.
You think here we could put another black one here?
No,
So
actually.
I like that there. That's all right.
Yeah, leave it's good as it is.
You think it's good?
Yeah.
Let me just now finalize this stuff here that we want black to show, not anything else.
Okay. The name I'm looking for is, it kind of looks like a vortex, doesn't it?
Vortex, okay.
A vortex. And I think that's what it should be called, a vortex. Because it doesn't look like a vortex. I mean, the other ones I know what called. I'm not going to say them. Because I already said them earlier. But you already know.
You see that green I did there? It created, you know, an interesting thing, some parts. So that's very cool. That was the idea. That was intentionally. I'm pretty satisfied of what I'm looking at, so I'm not gonna touch it too much. I'm just gonna finish corners here, and I will leave it just like that. I think this is fantastic, the way it's looking at and the way it shows. I'm so sorry, guys, I'm forgetting to speak Spanish. So disculpen, ¿verdad? Que es que a veces pues me envuelvo y sigo hablando inglés y no les hablo español. Estaba diciendo, ¿verdad? Que pues a veces queremos tener resultados diferentes y hacer cosas diferentes, pero nunca nos atrevemos a hacer nada nosotros. Si ustedes se dan cuenta, pues hoy yo estuve pensando y dije, voy a ver si hago algo distinto. Yo tenía en mente, ¿verdad? Que quería hacer el spiral, el efecto que ustedes están viendo ahí. Y pues entre Gabriel y yo estuvimos ahí pensando y dándole vueltas a cómo lo íbamos a hacer. Creo que ha sido un éxito. Los colores quedaron súper bien. Si se fijan, pues tocamos un poquito el verde ese que le eché al último y pues ha creado un efecto interesante en las orillas. No lo pueden ver ahora, pero les prometo que más adelante les voy a enseñar cuando esté tomando un video.
And he means by when it's dry.
Yeah,
when it dries.
15, de 15 a 20 minutos.
But to you guys, it's gonna sorry. But to you guys, it's gonna be like almost right now.
Yeah, it's gonna be very fast. But let me also take this opportunity before we leave this alone to let you guys know that the expo is coming by the end of August. I have 2 classes there. You're still on time, you know. If you're interested, this is in Orlando, Florida. I'm gonna be there giving 2 classes. Also, it's very important for you guys to hear what I'm gonna say now. Every people that sponsors me during this month of August, I will be giving away one of my paintings by the end of the month to those people who to contribute, you know.
So wait.
So you send something. You can see the link in my description. The PayPal link is there. And by the end of the month, I will choose who wins. And
so like
Gabriel, which one you wanna give away? Let's give these people something for the people who contributes.
You really want this one?
You tell me which one you like.
This one kind of looks pretty cool. We could give it away.
The snake eye.
The eye.
The eye.
Let's just call it the eye.
Just the eye.
The eye.
Right. Let's do that one. Let's do the second one. Yeah. Give me that one. Let me show it again. Okay. We're gonna be giving this one away. We're gonna be giving this one away to the persons who donate during this month. I will be choosing randomly, and I will give this one away by the end of the month.
So wait,
okay?
Do they have to enter something like?
No, they will send a donation through my PayPal link.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so next.
So
wait.
I'm gonna leave the camera rolling for actually no. I'm gonna just stop and then come back like in 15 minutes later on. Okay? See you guys. Well, it's been 45 minutes already. You can see how it finished. Let me show you this side so that you see what I mean when I mean about the green that I added at the end. See how nice? Look at that corner there, beautiful. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, more to come. Blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell to get notifications.